Darkhive Simulation Tool RASTER allows for users to harness the power of ATAC and UAS Tool to gain proficiency and plan for training and operational purposes in various environments. Providing a list of pre-established training areas to meet their specific needs, or if required, new areas can quickly be added. Right away, users are free to explore the map utilizing the virtual joysticks accessible in the UAS Tool side menu located on the top right of the plugin, as well as the option to map external controllers to maximize screen space. Using the existing TAC capabilities, users can share points across the network to allow for quicker target correlation and tasking from the pilot. Additionally, for members with UAS Tool on other devices, they can actively send taskings for the pilot to initiate. Here, we can see the pilot employing the Go-To tasking to establish a desired orbit around the received target, with customizable radius and approach speed. When in full screen, it can be very tedious to drop points accurately on the map and have them correlate with what is being seen in the feed. Activating gimbal control and enabling the point of interest functionality gives the pilot a way to interact direct with the FMV screen, to drop points accurately on the map without the need to go back and forth. Once points are placed on the map, users can activate augmented reality to see these points live during flights, mitigating the need to rely on the side-by-side menu for better situational awareness. The Follow Me functionality located in the top toolbar tasks the vehicle to maintain capture of the pilot's broadcasted location. As the user's position is relocated around the map, the sensor automatically pans without any input from the pilot to minimize time on sticks. While geofence is a legacy functionality within ATAC, this new feature within UAS Tool allows users to create no-fly areas to restrict both entry and exit of the vehicle. By selecting the utility submenu, pilots can quickly make geofences with custom behaviors when breached. Here we see that once the geofence is breached, the vehicle is placed in a hold position on the boundary lines. Alternatively, inclusion zones can be made by selecting the option during geofence creation to keep the vehicle confined within a specific area. The mission planning functionality allows the pilot to capture all the features into a pre-planned flight route, capable of customizing with regions of interest to maintain capture of specific targets during flight, as well as a custom setting for each point. This tool within the Raster Sim allows users to create full mission profiles and execute operational routes ahead of time to determine any deviations required during the live tasking.